Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we are finishing off issue 25 of the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build, currently supplied by Fanhome. We have stage 94 right here, so let's go ahead and take a look at the parts, and let's get to building. And here are the parts we get with stage 94. We have the right front door inner panel. We got a window lever, several gears, the window mechanism arm, vent crank handle, interior door handle, and the upper and lower parts of the armrest. We also have a couple more stickers to protect the window and a whole mess of screws. Okay, we're going to kick things off by taking the inner panel here and the window crank. We're going to put that window crank in right there, just like that. On the flip side, we're going to throw this gear in place. Alright, if we can. Alright, well there is... that is a tight fit, is what that is. There it goes. Alright. Got that puppy in there. So this should be flush, right in there. And what we're going to do is use a KM screw to hold it in place. Alright, there we go. With that in place, we can start putting in some of the other gears. So we're going to kick things off with this gear. Gear 2, I guess. It's got the little inner gear there. And that's going to go just like this. So it's going to go right on this post. There's a hole big enough for it to slide in. Bingo, just like that. Then we are going to take this, and that will slide on this post and fit in just like this. So there you go. That's what the gears will look like when they're done, and they should all rotate nice and neat as you turn the window crank. Now we're going to hold these in place with HP screw for this one and a UP screw for this one. Don't put them too tight or you won't be able to, actually crank it, but you get the idea. Alright, so with that in place, we're going to go ahead and take the vent crank handle. That's going to pop into this little hole right there. There we go. Yeah. This one's keyed, doesn't move, and it doesn't require a screw, so we're good there as well. Then we're going to take the door handle, and that is going to pop into the big hole right there. So let's pop that puppy in. There we go. And I believe that one is also keyed. And this one, we're going to use an EP screw to hold it in place. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, moving on. We are going to take the upper and lower portions of the armrest. Upper has the posts in it. We're just going to push them together. There we go. Just like that. And now this is going to pop right in here. Just like so. And we're going to use an EP screw right there to hold it in place. There you go. Beautiful. Now we're going to apply the stickers along this top edge because we do need to protect that window. All right, there we go. Now comes the fun. All right, we're gonna take the window here, and with this little cutout bit here facing towards the left, we can take our mechanism. It's got a post on one end. The post is gonna slide right in there, just like that. Okay. Now you use, on this side, a UP screw to hold that in place. Perfect. You want it tight, but not so tight it prevents the movement here. And then we're gonna flip it over like this, and you can see we've got two little bases right here. That's gonna go onto these two things. And pop that puppy in there. And we're gonna be using IP screws to hold this in place. Now here's where things are gonna get a little bit tricky. We're gonna bring out the door again. And what we need to do is make sure that the window here is inside this little base. So I'm gonna slide it in like that, inside that base, all the way up until the inner panel here lines up and snaps into place. There we go. Just like this. Now, I would suggest testing the mechanism. Make sure that the window rolls all the way up. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of difficulty here with mine not quite getting up to the top. Let's see here. Well, there it goes. All right, now, that said, I had a similar problem with the older bits where this window just would not go all the way up. Now, I don't plan on rolling it up and down a lot. I am a little upset that it doesn't quite go the way one would hope. And there doesn't seem to be anything that can be done to make it go smoother. It's unfortunate. It really, really is. But it's there. It does technically work, so be it. And right in these four holes, we're going to be putting we're going to put an IP screw up here, but we use DM screws for the other four. And there you have it. By the way, other three. I know I said other four. So distracted with the stinking window here, but it is in place. It does work, or I thought it did. I may have to loosen some screws here because this does not want to roll down. There it goes. All right, yep. So it was just caught on something, but so for the most part, the window works. But if you want it all the way up, it does have some issues getting to the top, which is sadly a continuation of the exact same problem we had with the when Eagle Moss was running things. So this is very much the same exact model, which sucks. The mechanism is in place, it just doesn't want to work. That's okay. We'll live with it because, frankly, the window's never going to come down again, at least for me. But this actually completes issue 25, unfortunately. I know we've got some trim items that need to go in place here before we can finally put the door in place, but it is certainly looking good. Oh yeah, we need the door lock too, the keyhole. But it's certainly looking good, and I am very happy to be doing this once more. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.